Lego Fanatics, we're back. I had to take a short break there for a minute, but now I'm going to keep building. You know, trying to take care of a sick dog on top of, you know, doing all this stuff and then editing videos, and then I had to stop every once in a while because, you know, things happen. Okay, so I need these yellows. Yellow 1x6s there. Okay, and then I need 4 of these dark blue blocks. So I'm going to put one here, one there, and that's going to fall off, and that's okay because we can put it back on just like that. All right, so you know, a little bit of detail here and there, a little bit of detail there, you know, and so we'll just keep going with what we've got. And now I need one of these, and I need a black 1x4 like that, and then I need this and another 1x4 for the black side, and voila! We're just, like I said, we'll just keep going. So this goes here. Got some gray flats. We're going to make this as stable as possible so it doesn't fall apart when we try to put details on it. And I've got these blue bumpers. Kind of neat. Okay. And we're going to have 4 of these tan corner pieces. I need to put them on just like that. Just like that. Okay. So then that. And that. Oh, okay, cool. And then we're going to put these long black pieces like this. And then that's like that. So that's how that's gonna look. Oh, and then I need this piece going on top, across here, the 4x6. Yeah. It's taking shape. Okay, and then I need, so I need this, like this. So it's got to go in the center, like that. This one's got to go in the center, just like that. And then I need a tan one, which is going to go like that. And I'm pretty sure, yep, I'm going to flip this over. This is in the center. This is in the center, so you can see how I'm putting it in the center part. And then I'm going to do this. Boom, boom. And that's how you do that. Yep. Oh, cool. And then we're going to put these 2 red pieces, connectors I call them. There's another one here. So when you put these in, you want to hear the click like that. So that's cool. Okay, then I need this white piece right. So the 2x6 is going to go, whoop, nope, going to go right there. Perfect, just like that. Check that out, guys. Starting to come together. Okay, and then I need 4 of these 1x1 studs that look like lanterns. Okay, so I'm going to go there. that one there, something like that. And then we'll go here, put that one like that. And then we'll put this one, whoop, no, I need the lantern, little white lantern. There it is, and one like that. Okay, so let's check on our time, we're good. All right, we're gonna keep going. All right, so I'm gonna put this down for just a second because I'm gonna build something right quick that's gonna look pretty cool. You'll see it in a minute. So I need one of these dark blue blocks, these little 1x2s like that. Then I need to put this one with the slant edge like that. Then I'm going to find one of these connectors, 1x2, snap, and grab another one, snap. And there's going to be a 1x2 stamp like that. Oh, okay. All right. So then this is going to go right there on that side like that. So then I'm going to make another one of these just like this. Keep going. So like this, like that. Then I need these. There's one. Connectors. And it's like this. This is going to go like that. Then I need this white, little white bumper here. And this little white bumper here. And that's pretty much going to finish out a whole lot of stuff there. That's kind of cool. All right. I like to straighten things out. All right, so I need 4 of these long steps. This one, that one, this one, and this one. Like that. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now I'm going to put this down because I'm going to build something else. And yeah, I got a little bit of time here. I can start. So I need 2 of these white deals that come out like this. And white 2x6. And 2x2. Oops. Block. I'm going to have 2 of these gray blocks back here like this with the holes in them. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to need one of these tan circles, right? No, not there. There, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to need one of these little white steps. Like that. And I need a flat black. I'm looking for it. There it is. Like that. So you can see it. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Then I'm going to need a white 2x6. I'm going to put it like that. And we're going to take this black 4x6 plate and put that on there, just like that. Then I need this piece, and a little connector on the front. Alrighty, we're just going to keep going here for a few minutes. Okay, so I need these blue nails like this. that. Do more of these. Like that. One of these bumper deals. That's going to go right there. Just like that. Then I'm going to take two of these corner pieces and I'm going to put them like this. And there's another one. Something like this. And then another 2x6, and that rounds out that whole piece, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. Okay. So now, need an angle piece. And then I need two of these yellow pieces with the side studs on it like that. And I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to put this on there. Like I said, they really put, you know, clean edges on there, so they round it out pretty good on the clean edges part. Okay, we're going to flip this. I've got our 2x3 flat. And this long one. Just like that. So again, see how they're stepping this up, so they're going to have an edge there. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this piece here, just like that. Pop, pop, and pop. And then I need another 2x3 flat. And see how it gives it that nice edge. Really cool. Okay, so now this is going to be odd, but I'm going to put this one here, this one here, another one of these, just like that, and then this, like that. And then I need two small ones. Steps like that. I need one there. And I need that one right there. Okay. And I'm going to keep these videos short, so I will see you in the next video. We're just going to keep building.